Remember how we said AI tools don't really have memory? Take a look at this. These are all cursor requests. Task repeated again and again. Each one costs $1. 50 times and most didn't even help. Month after month, it adds up. You're not just paying for answers, you're paying to repeat yourself. Now let's switch over to UnitAI and I'll show you how it handles this differently and actually remembers your preferences. I'm working on a scene and want to inspect the button's properties, so I just type a quick request, show me all properties for this button. The model responds right away with a clear structured breakdown, everything from components to fields. Now here's something interesting. Under the image component there's a color property, the RGB values. They're displayed as 1, 0000.754,0, 325 and so on. Uses 3 decimal points for each float. Now ask yourself, what if you don't like how something is presented? What if, for example, you'd prefer those color values rounded to just 1 decimal place and want the model to remember that forever without repeating yourself in every prompt? Well, with UnitAI you can. Now I want to teach the model something, once and for all. I type directly into the chat. Remember, color floats should be rounded to 1 decimal. It replies immediately, confirming the instruction is saved. This isn't just a one-time trick. From now on, the model will adjust how it shows those values. No retyping. No follow-ups, no wasted prompts. Even if I close this chat and start fresh, the model will still remember that color formatting rule. It's real memory tied to your project. That's how UnitAI makes the model yours. Let's take a look under the hood. In the project's working directory, UnitAI has created a new file, instructions. MD. This is where it stores remembered context, version-specific behaviors, naming rules, formatting preferences, whatever you've told it to retain. But keep in mind, this file isn't automatically attached to your next session. Now let's really test whether the memory works beyond just this conversation. I start a brand new session. Nothing from before is carried over. No chat history, no copy-pasted rules, just a fresh prompt. Show me the button's properties again. The model takes a second to respond, and here it is. Take a close look at the color field. This time it says 1. 00.9,02 instead of the full 1.000,0. 913,000, 0.173. No reminder needed, just clean 1 decimal precision, exactly as I prefer. Now let's double check where that came from. In the project folder, UnitAI saved that instruction in a dedicated file, instructions.md. Here it is, and you can see the line I typed earlier, color values must be rounded to 1 decimal. This file is quietly applied behind the scenes to influence model behavior. It doesn't clutter your interface, but it ensures your preferences carry through, session to session, without needing to repeat yourself. That's something traditional AI tools don't handle well. This isn't limited to color formatting. You can ask UnitAI to remember your coding style, naming conventions, response structure, indentation rules, anything. No wasted API calls or surprise builds like with Cursor. Just smooth